Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to appear offline on Facebook Messenger. To begin the process, open the Facebook Messenger at first. Once you're at the chat section of this messenger, you tap on your profile icon on the top left, tap that. In the profile section, what you need to do is look for your profile, and inside there you will have the option of active status. You tap that. So in Messenger, to appear offline, you will need to make changes over here on the setting page. Currently, you are showing active on Messenger. Your friends and your connection can see when you are active or recently have been active on the profile. So for you to turn it off or to appear offline, you just need to tap on this toggle on the top. Pause active status. You won't be able to see when your friends and connection are active, recently active, or in chat with you. Here you choose the option to how long you want to be able to be offline. There's the time period available. So here I'm just gonna choose on until I change it and tap on pause. Once you do that, you will no longer be seen as active in Messenger, and you will also not be able to see the other person or the friend or connection on your Facebook Messenger being active or when they were active. So this is how you can appear offline on Facebook Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.